Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrade.com. It's Wednesday. That means it's time for our market midweek update. I hope you're all doing well. If you want to join us, link in the description below. Let's talk about this market. Let's talk about what's going on today, and let's keep it as simple as possible and quick. We have a market that is trading sideways. And if you look on a 5-minute chart, you see this all over the place. Looks like a EKG, and we're not going anywhere. And you see these purple lines. This is a wedge pattern that's formed on the SPY. There's also one on the Qs. And we came down, we touched the bottom piece of this morning, we rallied. CPI was a very hot number. There's nothing to like. There's a lot of things I don't like about this market right now. I'm not going to hide it. I don't like inflation's rearing its head. I don't like the political instability coming out of the White House, and I don't like that earnings have not been very good. That said, the price action continues to say to me we want to try to go higher. This market continues to try to hold in. Every time it's given a reason to sell, it comes back. Now, we're going to see reciprocal tariffs either today or tomorrow or in the next couple of days. These are negotiations. Obviously, there's probably a lot of negotiations going on behind the scenes that we're not hearing about. We'll see what they are. Market will probably drop and come roaring back like it did today. Overall, we've remained very, very sideways on the SPY. Market breadth today was not very good, as you would imagine. Let's bring this up and look at the Qs. You can see here on the Qs, you have that same wedge pattern that's formed. The IWM, sold off and did not come back. It did not go green like the other indexes. The Dow, the same thing, did not go green. Energy today decided to take a dump. The financials today came back a little bit, but not so much. And this is something to watch. Watch the banks. If the banks start to falter, this market could be in trouble. JP Morgan, beautiful chart, looks great. But the rest of the banks, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, Citigroup, Wells Fargo, the big banks, they're all looking a little dicier. They don't have the same strength as JP Morgan. That could change in a heartbeat. The SMHs overall can't get in that gap yet, back into it, but kind of hanging in there. NVIDIA today, down day, but held the 8-day, so I'm still in calls on that. Firm, down day, but still holding in. Palantir, by the way, right back almost to the all-time high. SMCI earnings from last night didn't do anything much with it. UPST put a new many-year high in here at 90.44 after a good report. DoorDash did absolutely nothing. For whatever reason, they bought a lot of lift back, almost went green. Big cap tech remains weaker. Microsoft hit 404 before it bounced today, still looks atrocious. Amazon's holding serve at almost at the 50-day and underneath the 8 and the 21-day now. Meta, by the way, doesn't care. Today's day 18, 19, I don't know, I've lost count. Up in a row and a new all-time high. Netflix is very close back to that all-time high. It came running back as well. Google, nothing special going on here. It continues to look weak. By the way, Riven, the February 21st, 1150 puts alerting here. Boeing had a nice day. Look at this, right back to the top of that range. Apple got a day 2 off of that BABA news. By the way, let's talk BABA. Apple, the next target there is that 50-day. BABA, nice big move. This is a little extended to see if you get a little back and fill here. Tesla today. Tesla was my focus today. I did not have the best day trading. I'm green, but I did not have an easy day or didn't do very well. Tesla today, let's put it and dissect this because I think this is important. So this morning we were down, we came down. I was telling everybody for the last couple of days I thought 320 was the level to hold. We ran into 320, 320.07, and we bounced and we shot up. $17 pre-market. Ouch. Hard. Then during the day, it moved up. It was choppy. Here we are coming back in as Musk plans on spending the next 4 months sleeping at the White House. Why is that important to Tesla shareholders? Because that means he's not governing Tesla, and there's a little bit of angst over that. Bottom line is Tesla got an oversold bounce today, but never took out yesterday's candle, and it's an inside day. If it wants to bounce still, it could try to find its way to the 8-day. If it gets rejected there, that's a shorting opportunity. If it can't even bounce that far, it'll probably roll over. And if we lose 320, 309.22, and then we're looking down into this 275 area. So a lot of problems here. Uber had another nice day. Uber, since earnings, has been on fire. Took out the range high. Tonight we have earnings from Hood. What do we got tonight, guys? I got to go look at my notes here. I know we have Hood, we have Reddit, Trade Desk, and AppLovin. Tomorrow morning, Dog, DE, and Crocs. Everybody have a great night. If you want to join us, link in the description below, and I'll catch you guys all live in the room tomorrow morning.